Hello viewers, in today's video we will explore the pros and cons of using pen names versus real names when publishing on Amazon KDP. Whether you are considering privacy, branding or marketing, I will break down the key advantages and disadvantages of both options to help you make the best choice of your publishing journey. We will start by first considering the advantages of using pen names. The first one there is privacy protection. Authors can actually maintain their privacy and keep their personal lives separate from their writing careers. Then the next one is the pen name gives you genre flexibility. With a pen name, authors can write in multiple genres without confusing their audience or diluting their brand. Then pen name also offers you branding opportunities. Authors can create a distinct brand identity that aligns with the theme or styles of their book. With a pen name, can also help mitigate biases related to gender, ethnicity, or background, allowing readers to judge the work on its merit. It is also easier for rebranding. If an author wants to change their writing style or genre, a pen name makes it easier to rebrand without affecting their existing work. You also have creative freedom with the use of pen names. Authors may feel freer to express themselves without the fear of judgment from their social circles. Then, with a pen name, you can also be tailored to appeal to a specific audience or demographic in terms of target marketing. Then, with a pen name, also, authors can collaborate, creating a joint brand identity with other co-authors. Then one of other advantage of pen names is that if an author has already had a negative experience or reputation from previous work, but a pen name can provide a fresh start, which enables to avoid past reputation. Then lastly, the last advantage of using a pen name is that it enhances privacy for sensitive topics. What does this mean? It simply means that writing about controversial or sensitive subjects can be less daunting under a pen name. Let's also consider the disadvantage or the cons of using a pen name for your self-published work. The first one there is brand recognition. Building a following under a pen name can take time and effort, making it harder to leverage existing recognitions. Then there are also legal complications. Issues related to copyright, contracts, and royalties may become complicated when using a pen name. Then there's also the risk of identity confusion. If an author uses multiple pen names, it can lead to confusion among readers regarding their works. There's also tax implication in the sense that earnings under a pen name may complicate tax reporting depending on how the author structures their income. Then the next on the line there is difficulty in transitioning. With a pen name, if an author wants to switch from a pen name to their real name, it can be challenging to manage such transition. Then the potential for discovery. In some cases, authors may be outed, leading to unwanted attention or scrutiny. Let us also consider the advantages of using your real name for your self-published work on Amazon KDP. The first one is authenticity. Using a real name can create a sense of authenticity and trust with readers. It's also easier for branding. Building a personal brand is often easier with a real name, especially if the author already has recognition. If the author is already a known established person, then it's very easy to create branding using your real name. Then it also have networking opportunities. Real names can facilitate networking and collaboration opportunities within the industry. Then there's also direct reader connection in the sense that authors can connect more personally with their audience, fostering loyalty and engagement. Then it also offers you a simplified legal matters. Using real names can simplify legal issues related to contracts and copyright. Then we also have the consistency in identity, which is what one of the advantages of using your real name. There is no risk of confusion over multiple identities, making it easier for readers to find all the works by the author. Then it is also easier to transition to other media. Take, for instance, if an author wants to adapt their work into other formats like filming or TV, a real name can facilitate those negotiations easily as when you compare such with using a pen name. Then there's also the simplicity in tax. Reporting income and managing taxes can be more straightforward when you're using your real name, because this also have all your issued legal documents such as your driver's license and all the stuff, but your pen name does not guarantee you such. So it is very, very easy for you to report your income tax with the use of your real name for your publishing work. Then the last on the list here is long-term recognition. Authors can build a lasting legacy and reputation using their real name. So, having considered the advantages of using one's real name for your self-published work on Amazon, let's also look at the disadvantages of using your real name for the author. The first one there is loss of privacy. Authors may face challenges in maintaining personal privacy, especially if they gain significant fame. Then the next one there is reputational risk. A negative incident in an author's personal life can impact their writing career. Then there's also genre limitations. Authors may feel constrained to stay within a specific genre to maintain their brand. Yeah, personally, I've also experienced this because I published with my real name. But again, I'm also building a brand. I've been very consistent with a particular niche, creating lots of books within that niche. Now, during my recent research for keywords, I also came across other profitable keywords that are not within the niche that I've already been branding my work. So now it is difficult for me to go create those books on those niche because it will definitely be in variance with what I've been writing that is already established with my name, except I might be tempted to go use a pen name to create those books. So these are also one of the disadvantages of using your real name, because there's definitely going to be genre limitations in that aspect, except if you're this kind of person that you don't care, you just want to create different books in different niches using the same pen name, then you are not building a brand by doing that. And again, it's like you're just all over the places and your prospective customers will start doubting your credibility. I mean, how can you claim to be competent in writing books about weight loss, then the next book you're writing, you're talking about growing chickens? I mean, there's no correlation on that niche. So with that, you'll be coming off as being an unserious person, and that can also hinder people from, purchasing your book, because you're not coming off like an authority figure. Like someone that is really grounded on a particular niche. You're just all over the places. So this is also one of the disadvantages of using your real name, because it's going to limit you in terms of genre. So the next one is bias and prejudice. Readers may judge an author based on their names or background, potentially affecting their sales. Then there's also difficulty in rebranding. If an author wants to change their writing style or genre, it can be challenging to rebrand under their real name. That is exactly what I just experienced with my own challenges that I faced. Then there's also social media scrutiny. Authors may face increased scrutiny on social media, which also impact their personal lives. And this is also one of the disadvantages of using your real name, and if you are also on social media. Then there's also limited creative freedom. Authors might feel restricted in their writing choices due to their established identity. Then your past work might also impact the future. Previous works can overshadow your new projects, making it hard to start afresh. Then there's also the potentiality for harassment. Public exposures can lead to unwanted attention or harassment from readers or from your critics. So in summary, choosing between a pen name and a real name depends on an author's personal preferences, goals, and the nature of their writing career. Some self-published authors often prefer pen names to maintain privacy, separate genres, or create a distinct brand identity. Pen names can also shield personal life from public scrutiny, allowing authors to explore different writing styles without preconceived notions. Additionally, they can help in marketing by crafting a memorable and marketable persona. Likewise, some self-published authors choose to use their real names to build authenticity and credibility with readers. Using their true identity fosters a personal connection, enhancing trust, and allows for consistent branding across genres. Additionally, it can simplify marketing efforts by leveraging their existing reputation and network in their professional sphere. So now that you know the advantage and disadvantage of using pen names versus real names for your self-published books on Amazon, you can make an informed decision based on your personal goals. Whether you prioritize privacy, flexibility, or building a personal brand, each option offers unique benefits. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions below. Don't also forget to subscribe for more insights into self-publishing on KDP, and stay tuned for future videos to help you grow your success as an author. See you in the next one.